Hi everyone, finally on the centimetres. Let's see how we go. Simple rule is really, most people will know that 1 metre is 100 centimetres. So if we have a 1 metre ruler, you have 100 centimetres. I talk in terms of little fingers, it's a reasonable idea. 100 of those little fingers will go across a metre. So if I took a large step, which is a metre, for me a very large step, 1 centimetre is 100 of those across there. So let's have a look. 1 metre has to be 100, so 2 metres has to be 200. Most people are okay, they will just go to 3 metres has to be 300 centimetres. So to be 300, it needs two numbers apart, beside it. If I multiply that by 100, it's the same idea. Some people struggle with that, that's why I go to this as well. 5 metres will be 500. 2.4 metres, peekaboo method, 2 metres will be 200. So where does the 4 go? 4 goes next to the 2. If you're talking multiplying by 100, you move a decimal place twice, so I jump over the 4, that would give me there, and then I jump over a 0, that would put the decimal place here. Some people don't see that, so I want to also talk about that, it's just 240. So this one would be, peekaboo method, 400. So to be 400, it has to have 2 digits after it. So they have to be a 9 and a 0. People go wrong and put 09, and they'll put, common one that people will write is 4,900. So if you look at that, we're saying 4,000. We're not talking about thousands, we're talking here about hundreds. So go to this one here, probably become fairly easy now. If I cover those over, that has to be 500. No, I'm actually going to bother to write the 500. What happens to the 7 and the 1? The 7 and the 1 just go here. Now the one that really mucks people up. If I covered over that 1, most people will be okay with a 708, because the 7 has to be 700, so there we have 700. So there's my 700, and the 0 goes next to the 7, and the 8 goes next to the 0. So you've got an extra number there. And people write all sorts of funny things, or they just get caught up and do the wrong measurement. I'll do another video, maybe a last one on metric conversions, and that'll be going the other direction. Thanks.